Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, cannot take photos, there is no enough available storage to take a photo. You can manage your storage in settings. So you will see two different buttons. So first button is done and second is settings. So how you can fix it? So you just need to go to the settings. So just open the settings. In the settings you need to find general. And in the general, you just open iPhone storage. Here you can also enable offload unused apps. So here you can see that automatical offload unused apps. When you're allow on storage, your documents and data will be saved. So you can enable this option and it will save you some memory for using your camera. And also here you can see what apps takes more of your memory and maybe what data, what cache you need to clean from what apps to get your storage, and what type of so apps or system or photos takes more of your memory. So you just see here, check this information here and just go and remove some info and just take your photo. So this is the way how you can fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.